Hello everyone. Massage guns are a great way to relieve muscle soreness, improve circulation, and boost recovery. In this video, we're going to be checking out top 5 best massage gun for muscle pain relief. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best massage gun, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, Luccgkkfvv Massage Gun. The Luccgkkfvv Massage Gun Deep Body Massager for Muscle Pain Relief. Advanced Muscle Relief. This percussion massage gun comes equipped with 6 interchangeable head attachments and an impressive 30-speed range, varying from 1200 to 3200 RPM. Designed for athletes, office workers, bodybuilders, and anyone facing muscle pain, it promises a deep tissue massage that targets specific areas. The potential to alleviate muscle soreness and fatigue post-workout or prolonged desk sessions makes it an appealing choice for a diverse user base. Portable and discreet. With a working sound level of 35 to 50 dB, this massage gun is both portable and discreet. Its lightweight design, only 2.1 pounds, makes it easy to carry, and the compact carrying case ensures convenience on the go. Whether you're at home, in the office, or at the gym, the Luccgkkfvv Massage Gun offers a quiet and unobtrusive solution for muscle recovery. The Luccgkkfvv Massage Gun, its comprehensive features and potential benefits make it an intriguing option for individuals seeking a reliable solution for muscle pain relief, recovery, and relaxation. Fourth product on my list, the Mijia Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Effective and versatile massage, promising an all-round strike that is accurate and soothing. The Mijia is designed to tackle muscle pain comprehensively. Whether you're into exercise training, muscle stretching, daily massages, or rehabilitation, this massage gun claims to be effective in various situations. Key benefits. The potential benefits of the Mijia include relief from muscle stiffness and soreness, accelerated muscle recovery, release of lactic acid, increased range of motion, improved blood circulation, and enhanced soft tissue health. This wide range of advantages positions it as a versatile tool for individuals with different needs. Innovative design and LCD touchscreen. The unique appearance, design, and multifunction LCD touchscreen of the Mijia enhance user experience. Accurate display of speed level and power adds a layer of sophistication to its functionality. Long battery life and convenient charging. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Mijia supports up to 4 to 6 hours of use on a full charge. The Type-C fast charging feature adds convenience to the overall user experience. Family-friendly and diverse gears. The Mijia variety of gears aims to suit different exercise intensities, providing a versatile solution for users of all ages. This family-friendly approach positions it as a one-stop solution for addressing muscular exhaustion in a household. The Mijia Deep Tissue Massage Gun is pending. Its comprehensive features, innovative design, and potential benefits make it an option for anyone, an efficient and user-friendly massage solution for muscle recovery and relaxation. Third product on my list, Mukasi Pain Relief Massage Gun. Mukasi Professional Massage Gun Fitness Extended Massage Tapping Deep Tissue Muscle Massager for full body, back, and neck pain relief. Multifunctional Massage Gun. The Deep Tissue Massage Gun has 4 different massage heads, each of which is aimed at different muscles. After the massage gun hits the muscles, it can promote blood circulation, decompose lactic acid, and relieve muscle soreness after exercise. Detachable Extended Handle. The detachable 18 cm extended handle is perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach areas, such as the back and shoulders. The handle can be easily removed to make it more compact and portable for travel. Large LED display. The streamlined design and colorful breathing light make the massage gun full of sense of science and technology. The large LED display screen provides real-time feedback on the battery life and intensity levels. 8 different intensity levels. The frequency can be adjusted according to the different parts of the massage. The high-power motor will bring 1200 to 3200 strikes per minute. The user can change the speed of the massage gun as needed to provide a relaxing massage for each muscle. Ultra-quiet design. The high-quality motor of the percussion massage gun makes the muscle massage gun almost no noise, ensuring that you will not disturb others when using our massage gun in public places. Applicable to a wide range of people, the massage gun can be a back massager and neck massage gun for sedentary office workers, or a deep muscle massage gun for athletes and bodybuilders. If you are still having a headache about choosing a gift, then this massage gun must be the best choice for gift giving. Second product on my list, EaSore ES004 Massage Gun. The EASore ES004 Massage Gun. It's a professional-grade solution for muscle recovery and relaxation. Advanced physiotherapy instrument. The ES004 is presented as a cutting-edge deep muscle and fascia physiotherapy instrument, offering an immediate release from muscular soreness. This feature hints at a targeted approach to addressing post-exercise discomfort. Super powerful and training-grade. Claiming to be super powerful and suitable for training-grade use, the ES004 promises quick relief from soreness, enhanced body recovery, and improved exercise performance. These qualities position it as a valuable tool for fitness enthusiasts and athletes. 220-watt ultra-high-power brushless motor. Featuring a formidable 220-watt ultra-high-power brushless motor, the ES004 boasts the capability to penetrate deeper muscle layers, enhancing the overall relaxation effect. This high-powered motor suggests a potential for more efficient and impactful massages. New noise reduction technology. The inclusion of new noise reduction technology suggests a conscious effort to provide a quieter massage experience. This is a significant feature, especially for users who value a more discreet and peaceful operation. Intelligent AI chip with overload protection. The ES004 is equipped with an intelligent AI chip featuring a 10-minute intelligent power-off, pressure induction, and visual spectrum overload protection. These intelligent features contribute to both user safety and the longevity of the massage gun. High-capacity battery for extended use. With a battery capacity of 2,600 mAh, the ES004 boasts a use time of 6 to 8 hours at its maximum speed of 3280 RPM. This high-capacity battery ensures extended usage without frequent recharging. The EaSore ES004 Massage Gun is pending. Its powerful motor, durable construction, intelligent features, and user-friendly design. First product on my list, Xiaomi Mijia Fascia Relax Massager. The Xiaomi Mijia Fascia Relax Deep Massage Gun. Advanced hot compress technology. The standout feature of the Fascia Gun 2 is its 3-speed hot compress temperature adjustment. This innovation allows users to switch between dual modes of hot compress, providing a customizable and soothing massage experience. The promise of free switching between modes suggests adaptability to individual preferences and needs. Powerful brushless motor and deep massage. Boasting a high-performance brushless motor, the Fascia Gun 2 claims an 18 kg impact force and a 10 mm deep massage. These specifications point to a device capable of delivering a potent and penetrating massage, addressing deep-seated muscle tension effectively. Low noise and ergonomic design. At 45 dB, the Fascia Gun 2 promises a quiet operation, enhancing the overall user experience. The 47 mm shock-absorbing soft rubber handle size suggests an ergonomic design, ensuring a comfortable grip during massages. This is a crucial factor, especially for extended usage. Long battery life and convenient charging. Equipped with a Type-C charging interface and a 2,450 mAh lithium battery, the Fascia Gun 2 ensures convenient charging. The promise of a 10-hour long-term battery life is impressive, and the low-loss transmission design hints at energy efficiency, allowing for approximately 30 days of use on a full charge. The Xiaomi Mijia Fascia Gun. Its array of features, including hot compress technology, a powerful motor, versatile massage modes, low-noise operation, and a thoughtful design for user comfort and safety, position it as a compelling option for those seeking an advanced and reliable fascia massage gun.